Hello, beautiful peoples. Let's talk. So, for the last week or so, I haven't really been filming, recording, posting videos. It has been a rough week. I have needed some personal time to sort some things out, but I am feeling better now and hopefully back to my regular schedule given leeway for the holidays. Now, in my absence, I have not stopped knitting. I am almost done, although I am behind schedule, and I'm so excited to show you my progress today because it looks unrecognizable, but also to stress you out some more because I have 3 days and I don't know if I'm gonna do it. Are you ready? It looks so good. So I have one more cabled row and the section of ribbing to finish it off for the knitting. I have started doing ribbing at the bottom, which is crocheted, which is a lot faster. I then have the 2 sleeves to do. 3 days with holiday plans, limiting my time more. Let's see how much I can do tonight.